Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting our channel. Today we would like to share with you the recipes for 3 sweet fillings for crepes. They are each delicious by themselves. For the making of the first filling we will need bananas, sugar and unsalted butter.
On a preheated skillet, place 2 tablespoons of sugar. When the sugar starts to melt, add 30 grams of unsalted butter. Peel 2 large bananas, cut them into circles, and coat them with the sugar and butter until they become soft. Leave them to cool.
When the banana filling has cooled, take the already cooked crepes and spread the banana paste in a thin layer. Roll up the crepe and start the process of making the second filling.
For the second recipe, we will only need 2 ingredients. They are poppy seeds and apricot jam. Soak 150 grams of poppy seeds in water and cook them for 15 minutes, and leave them to cool like that until the morning. In the morning, get rid of the water. Then put the mass into a piece of gauze and squeeze the excess water out. Into a food processor, place the poppy seeds and 3 tablespoons of apricot jam. Blend the mass well, taste it, and see if you want to add more jam.
Spread the poppy seeds paste evenly onto a crepe and roll it up. Guys, we have an actual playlist with videos of crepes that you can make. If you want to check that out, then the link will be in the description. Now we start to make our favorite filling. For the filling we will need apples, sugar, cinnamon and walnuts.
Take 2 apples, skin them, and use a grater to grate them. On the skillet, cook grated apples, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 50 grams of walnut pieces. Cook for no less than 5 minutes. Regulate the sweetness of your filling by yourself. If you want to, you can add more sugar to make it sweeter. If you don't like cinnamon very much, then you could add less of it or don't add it at all. Leave it to cool, and now the third filling is finished.
When the third filling is done, spread the filling evenly on the crepe and then roll it up. Today we used carrot crepes. The recipe for them will soon be out on our channel, so don't miss it.
These are the 3 interesting fillings for crepes that we thought of. Cook with us and make your friends and family happy. Please share in the comments which filling you like best.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.